This is a comprehensive resource designed to help students improve their reading comprehension abilities using biographical text. Two geniuses. After completing this lesson, you will be able to explain how meaning is enhanced through choice of words and phrases, identify key details from the text, identify how language, structure, and presentation contribute to meaning, make comparisons within the text, evaluate how authors use language considering the impact on the reader, explain and justify inferences with evidence from the text. The text focuses on two geniuses from different fields: Albert Einstein, the world-renowned physicist, and Einstein's chauffeur. Session 1 deals with the setting. Find words in the story that have same meaning as the given words. Identify the elements of the setting such as place, time, and atmosphere. Use the elements of the setting that you have identified to describe the setting. You may use the given sentence frame as a guide. Attempt these differentiated tasks related to the story setting. Test your understanding of the story's setting. Session 2 focuses on character description. Spot the traits of the characters in the story based on their action and response. Identify the characters, their roles, and the traits based on what they do, say, think, and what others speak about them. Make a character sketch on the main character in the story. Include information like character's role, appearance, and traits. Use the character sketch that you have made to describe the main character. You may use the given sentence frame as a guide. Attempt these differentiated tasks related to the characterization. Test your understanding of the different character types in the story. Session 3 highlights the plot. Identify the elements of the plot. Identify the plot description elements. Use the plot description elements that you have identified to develop the plot. You may use the given sentence frame as a guide. Attempt these differentiated tasks related to the plot of the story. Test your understanding of the different plot types in the story. Session 4 takes care of the story analysis. Identify the elements of the story. Identify the story analysis elements. Use the story analysis elements that you have identified to make a critical appreciation of the story. You may use the given sentence frame as a guide. Attempt these differentiated tasks to plan plots based on different types of plots. Test your understanding of the story analysis elements. Session 5 concentrates on the summary. Identify the elements of the summary. Use the summary elements that you have identified to write the summary of the story. You may use the given sentence frame as a guide. Identify the reference to context elements of the story. Use the reference to context elements that you have identified to explain the given line with reference to context. You may use the given sentence frame as a guide. Attempt these differentiated tasks related to the reference to context in the story. Answer the given referential, inferential questions. Before I conclude, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, John D'Souza, to stay updated on my latest educational videos. To download the PowerPoint presentation for this resource, log in to Read Teachers by Teachers and search for John D'Souza.